welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back. I actually have an somewhat exciting day today. I'm on the way to get my rear tires fixed because I actually got a flat a week before I left to car week, so maybe a week and a half ago. And they've kind of just been like sitting in the garage, and we put some fix-a-tire, some of that like gooey stuff into the tire, and it's actually been holding pretty well. So hopefully we make it to get the rear tires fixed and put on. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and I kind of wanted to bring you along with me today. I also have some Lamborghini photo shoot thing at the Houston Raceway, so I believe that's a drag strip. I could be wrong, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen there, but I'll bring you guys with me. Hey guys, so I just dropped off the car. It's going to get the rear tires fixed because I got a flat, unfortunately. So now me and my dad are just here eating some lunch, and hopefully later on today I can show you guys around Houston Raceway Park. Me and Rafa are gonna take the SVJ out there, and there's gonna be quite a few other Lamborghini owners, and hopefully I can show you guys around there and get my car back, and yeah, I'll bring you guys along with me. Okay, you guys, I finally got her back, and she now has a set of brand new tires on the rear. It's a little bit dirty because of that fix-a-flat we put, so I've got to get her a nice wash, get her cleaned up for some car meets this weekend. But yeah, for some reason, every time I get anything done with my wheels, they always seem to change these little caps. If I can focus that. Yeah, they always seem to give me like mix-match colored caps, so make sure you always remember that when you drop the car off, is to tell them, please always give me the same caps back. Everything looks good. I took it to Discount Tire this time. Normally I would have someone come to my house and do it, or take it to Porsche, but I didn't have much time because it's Friday. I usually go to car shows Saturday and Sunday, so yeah, got some new tires back here, and I will see you guys whenever Rafa comes to pick me up in the SVJ. Bye guys. Okay guys, so little outfit change before we head off to Houston Raceway. I decided to go with a little gray top, but I have the same shorts on with little white sneakers, and these mirrors, both of these, are actually supposed to be hung up behind me, right above the bed back there, but I moved into this house not too long ago, so just trying to get everything put together. I've been traveling quite a lot for track events and stuff, but yeah, kind of wanted to just show you guys my little outfit. Okay, so slight change of plans. Rafa and I weren't paying attention and we ended up going the wrong way. So that's okay, we got to chit chat and kind of bond a little bit, and I got a ride in the SVJ, so not too bad. So this is Theo. Say hi to Theo. Say hi, Theo. Theo is the best track puppy ever. He loves cars and he loves the racetrack. Right, Theo? Theo! Theo! Okay, so we've got a GT3RS here, getting some work done, and we've got Travis over here. So what's going on, Travis? What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to change out some brake pads, do some Ferodos, and some braided steel lines, and new fluid. Hopefully you won't have any brake fade this time like you had in Virginia. So, hoping for the best.
If you guys know me at all, you know that this is one of my favorite cars in the whole wide world. But absolutely love the GT3RS.
Oh yeah. You saw it.
And here is the Cayman R here at the shop. There's Theo. The Cayman R is getting inspected to make sure that it's track ready. But this car is super, super cool. One of my favorites. This Cayman R is totally track equipped. So it basically came this way whenever the owner purchased it. Super cool though. I love this car. Okay guys, well, I just got back home from a Porsche car show and it actually just started raining, so I got home just in time. But that's going to conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please support me by subscribing and liking this video. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next. And look down in the description for my socials. I will be sure to link my TikTok and Instagram accounts there. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.